we've just acquired. It's absolutely lovely Audi S5. It's 3-litre turbo quattro. Those wheels are unmarked and look unbelievable when the car is being driven. It's in gleaming black metallic and it's absolutely gleaming. It's got the LED headlights, lovely carbon fibre diffuser with the quad exhaust. This is the black limited edition. It's got lovely rear privacy glass, no chrome. This car drives and looks superb. I'll just start it up for you. Sounds lovely. It's got climate control, Bluetooth phone prep, carbon fibre. This is the quattro, as you can see. Cruise control, flat bottom S5 steering wheel, and full leather interior with S5 embossed. There's not even any wear on the bolsters getting in and out. Really has been well looked after. The car's just had a 12-month MOT. It's just been serviced. It's ready to go. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 025. Thank you.